After weeks of digging, clearing, and fighting these pesky roots in the ground, today is the day we install the last 18 concrete tubes for our home foundation. If these go in right, the entire home has something to stand on. Welcome back to Living Lucky Off Grid. If you're new here, we're a family of 6 building an off-grid homestead from the ground up here in the woods. And today we're finishing one of our biggest steps yet. We're installing our last 18 sonotubes for our pier and beam foundation. Bitch. Getting to this point has been a journey. We cleared land, dug dozens of holes. We hit more rocks and stumps than I can even count. We're finally down to the last 18 sonotubes that will support this entire cabin. Let's go. So here's what we're working with today. So I got my tubes, I got my level, saw. So the goal is to get every single one of these in the ground perfectly level. So that way when the beams sit, they sit perfectly right. Yeah, so the first step is to mark them all. Step number 2 is going to cut them all. Step number 3, to put them in the hole. Yes. I believe in that order. I just realized 18 tubes that's a lot of tubes, bro. That's 9 here, but I got to cut them all in half. So step 2, we're gonna saw these bad boys in half. Last one! Yeah! Step 3, put it in the ground. And we're gonna level it. If they don't give me a hard time. Me personally, I don't know if anybody else is going to do this or not, but when I'm putting my pier and beams in the ground, I'm leaving them 6 inches above the ground just for future water issues, in case water wants to puddle or something, because I am using treated lumber with Simpson brackets or metal brackets on top of the concrete. I'm just trying to prevent every wave from having my wood rot, if that makes sense. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get my handy dandy level, throw that bad boy on there, get my handy dandy ruler, and I'll put it on the ground. See, right now we're sitting at about 8 inches. That's no bueno. So that's what the end result's supposed to look like, but the dang freaking wind keeps blowing my dang camera down. It's super windy out here. That's what I was trying to do. I got it all leveled and good, just like the other ones. Now I got a whole lot more to do. So with pier and beam foundations like this, my goal is to make sure they're level, because it's definitely going to save us some time in the future. Nothing on this project was easy. Nothing on this property is perfectly easy. Some holes wanted to cave in, some holes were slightly off, and quite a few of them had roots and rocks that made this whole job a challenge. But I guess that's part of living off grid and choosing the homestead life. It's a challenge, and I'm down for it. One by one, the foundation starts coming together. And every tube you see here eventually be holding the weight of our entire home, bro. That's crazy. This tube right here completes our foundation layout for our off-grid home. Let's get it leveled up, squared away. Beautiful, beautiful. Standing back looking at this now, man, it finally looks real. In the next video, we're gonna try to start pouring concrete so we can get ready for our beams to get ready to start on the floor. That's when this is really gonna look like a home. If you've been following this build, I really appreciate you guys. And if you wanna see us go from raw land to home, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.